Hello everyone, this is LJ and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, this is another unboxing episode in my YouTube channel, but this time we're going to unbox a non-NBA card. So may parcel akong dumating and yan, bubuksan natin ito. So this is a Taylor Swift stuff. Okay, so this is a Taylor Swift stuff that I bought online. So let's start to open it now. Okay, so I have bought a Lomo card of Taylor Swift. So I have bought here a Taylor Swift Lomo card and I choose 1989, and 1989 is one of my favorite album of her. Okay, so let's start to unbox it now, and I'm really excited to see what are the Lomo cards that has inside. Okay, kung dati-dati NBA cards tayo, ngayon naman try naman natin ang iba. Okay, so this time naman is i-try natin yung mga non-NBA cards. Next time ito-try ko naman yung Beanie na photo card, no? Nakapag-order na din ako noon. And I have also bought non-NBA cards okay, non-NBA cards nga po, no? So, I have bought NFL cards. So, yung nabili ko si Patrick Mahomes at saka si Travis Kelce. And I tried also to bought baseball na photo cards. Okay, so, yun. Buksan na natin to. Yan. Okay, so meron siyang 92 pieces pala. I'm so sorry, hindi pala siya 96. So 60 pieces dito, Lomo cards, and meron siyang 32 pieces na stickers. Okay, that's cool. Yan, wow. Really love it. Okay, siguro palitan na lang natin ang anggulo para makita nyo mismo itong mga cards. Okay, so we have here the Taylor Swift Lomo cards, and some of it are stickers. So, tingnan na natin. So, we have here this one. Wow. At ang likod niya ay The Eras Tour. Okay. Yan. So, inspired ng The Eras Tour itong mga cards na to. Okay, and next one, meron tayong Taylor Swift na parang nakaharap sa sunset. Okay. The next one, we have this. Okay. I can't say enough sa mga pictures kasi ang gaganda. And I really love her. Yan. Taylor Swift na nagte-take off ng kanyang glass. We have here Taylor Swift na, wow, she's pretty. Nakasuot ng kulay green at may hawak na ice cream. Okay. We have this one. Okay, yan. Okay. Taylor Swift at the beach. Yan, ayusin lang natin. Okay. So mostly ito ay inspired ng 1989. Yes. Yan. Meron tayo. Dami Okay. Yan ganda. Oh, meron ding repetition. Okay? Meron din dito, during her early years. Yan. Okay? So, meron din siyang picture na nasa premiere siya ng The Eras Tour film. Okay. Ito rin. Sa premiere din ito ng The Eras Tour. We have also here yung photos niya sa Red album niya during her concert in 1989 tour. During the Eras Tour, ito rin yung Lover era sa The Eras Tour setup. Ito yung kumakanta siya ng Enchanted. Okay, so from the Eras Tour din ito. And also this one, I think this is Folklore yata. Okay, kumakanta siya ng August. Yun yung pagkakaalam ko. This one, ayun, kakatapos siyang kumanta ng Enchanted dyan. Okay, meron din siyang album cover niya sa Speak Now. Okay. Yan. I think this one is sa Golden... Ay, no. MTV pala to. Sa MTV. Yan. Yan. During the Eras Tour. Yan. And we have here mga stickers. Wow. Ang ganda. Okay. Alright. So, ito yung nabili nating cards ni Taylor Swift online. So, marami nito sa TikTok. Ito, kikip ko lang tong mga to, no? Just like NBA cards, magko-collect din ako nito. Okay, susunod naman na episode, yung beanie. So, hanggang dito na lang muna yung vlog natin. Thank you sa pagsama sa akin. And God bless.